Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we have something so incredibly exciting, at least for me. So we are going to be unboxing the Canon 80D. Now, by no means is this like a new camera out to the market. I mean, like it came out I think a year or two ago, so it's not brand new, but I did buy this brand new, so it's new to me. So if you want to go ahead and see this unboxing, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so first off, if you watched my last video, my Black Friday haul, I did mention everything about this camera. So basically, my boyfriend bought this camera and it is for his, work purposes and things of that sort. But he is going to, of course, let me use it too. So we're gonna like kind of share this camera. So I'm super excited to play with this, and I had to go ahead and do an unboxing, you guys. Like, that is probably one of my most viewed videos on YouTube, is my T6i videos. So I definitely wanted to do an 80D unboxing, and of course I'm going to do a tutorial with this as well, because I know that a lot of my subscribers are subscribed to me for my camera videos and stuff, and I really enjoy talking about tech stuff. I really love it. So here we are today unboxing this beauty. Of course, first off, here's the beautiful box. It is just, it's so beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And of course you have your manual, warranty papers, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna open up this little flap right here. We've got the camera and the bubble wrap right there. So excited to open this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that out of there and set the box down. Let's not throw that. Okay, so comes in this bubble wrap, super exciting, I know. Then it comes like in this kind of felt cloth, I don't know what you call it, but a little casing to further protect it. And are you guys ready for this? I don't think you're ready. Okay, here she is. Oh, isn't she just gorgeous? I think she's absolutely stunning. She's just, oh, gorgeous. So of course what I'm filming on right now is my Canon T6i, and yeah, I love this camera. Such a good camera, but I just wanted to upgrade a little bit because of course there are some features on here that aren't on the T6i. So you know what? Oh my god, I just thought of a video, a comparison between the two. Like this video if you want to see that. So anyway, here she is. Oh my gosh, the Canon 80D. She's gorgeous. Of course, she has that flip out screen that is, reversible, so you can view yourself and everything while you're recording. And yes, amazing, beautiful. And of course it's touchscreen as well, has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever, so you can connect it to your phone and transfer your photos and things of that sort. I know this is one really small thing, but one of my favorite things about this camera is the dial. I love this. Like, yes, give it to me. I don't know if it's because I'm super lazy or what, but I hate going like click, 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 click. Having a dial just makes things so much faster. So I'm just so excited to use this. So of course, let's go ahead and get on with the rest of the unboxing. That's not all that there is in this box. So of course, on the other side, you have all of the little accessories. We've got the strap. Beautiful, love it. We've got the charger, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. And this is definitely a bigger battery. This is the LPE6N battery, I believe. And so it's got a nice big charger. This is quite a bit bigger than my T6i battery charger. The last thing in here, of course, is the battery. So here it is, got a little protective cover. So I'm just gonna take that off if I can. Here she is, LPE6N battery. Beautiful. So once you want to charge it, just go ahead and pop that sucker in and you're good to go. So that is everything that comes in the box. Now you might have noticed that there's no lens. You're like, where's the lens, girl? So I already have a very nice lens, and it is the 18 to 35 millimeter Sigma lens for Canon mount, and that lens is amazing. So I already have all the lenses, and my boyfriend can absolutely use them, but the pickle that we kind of ran into was, you know, I'm going to be using this, and what if I'm using this when he wants to use it? So he went ahead and bought his own Sigma 18-35 lens. This is an amazing lens, you guys. I love this. If you want a good lens, this is the way to go. So I'm not going to be unboxing that today because I do already have a video unboxing this lens. So I'll leave that in the link below or up in the cards or something if you want to watch that. So that is why there is no lens that comes with the box. So anyway, that is all that's in the box. I'm going to go ahead and pop the battery in there, see if this works, if it's all charged up and stuff. Okay. And we're going to press on. Yay! Okay, just says ensure lens is attached. Of course we don't have a lens, but that's okay. So yeah, awesome. We can go to the menu, info. We can use this little scrolly. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then of course, if you don't want to use a dial, you can just, you know, use the touch screen. This is just an absolutely amazing camera. So beautiful and very expensive, but very worth the money. Just to point out one thing, like this camera can do 60 frames per second while in 1080p, while the T6i cannot. So it does definitely have, you know, a few more features and stuff. And of course, I think it's like a 45 cross type autofocus or whatever it's called, and this one only has 19 or something like that. So it's definitely an upgrade, and I'm so excited. And of course, now that my boyfriend got one, I want one too, and I probably will be getting one soon. I just have to save up for it. So yes, that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Like I said in my last video, if I do end up getting this camera, which I'm like 99% sure I'm going to. I am going to probably list this T6i on eBay or something, so definitely be on the lookout for that if you guys are interested in buying this camera. I'll probably put it on eBay, and I'll update it in the description if I do end up putting it on there and listing it. So oh my goodness, I almost forgot, you guys. So I also told my boyfriend to get an extra battery, so we picked up an extra battery as well as a SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB SD card. This is going to be amazing and super fast and everything, which is great. I'm pretty sure 64 gigabytes is going to be perfectly fine for him. So, I mean, if we need to upgrade and get the 128, then we will. But for now, I think this is going to work fine. That is everything that we got. Also got a lens protector to go, or a filter to go over the lens to protect it, so it'll shatter that glass filter rather than your actual lens. So got one of those, and of course we got a little bag to go with it and travel around with. This is just the Amazon Basics bag, and it's like the medium sized one, and it is it works perfectly for your camera, your lens, charger, cords, all that jazz, all that good stuff. It's the perfect size, and it was only like 15 bucks or so very affordable. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too long. If you guys want to see more videos, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. I'm obviously gonna go ahead and do a 80D, I was gonna say T6i, an 80D tutorial on how to use this and everything, so be on the lookout for that. And yes, I'm so excited, you guys. This camera is beautiful. It's like my dream camera. I love it. So I'm super excited to play with it and everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications for those future videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!